In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the chart of accounts in ERPNext. We'll walk through this step by step so you can easily download your chart of accounts data for reporting, backup, or migration purposes. Even though this process is simple, it's important to understand where to click and why, so you feel confident repeating it whenever you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and that you're on the main homepage or dashboard. From here, you'll need to access the Tools section. Look towards the top or side navigation menu, depending on your ERPNext layout. You should see an option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. The Tools area is where ERPNext keeps a lot of utilities that help you manage and manipulate your data. This includes importing, exporting, and sometimes data cleaning options, depending on your version and permissions. Because exporting the chart of accounts is considered a data operation rather than an accounting transaction, it lives under this Tools section instead of directly in the accounting module. Once you've clicked on Tools, you'll be taken to a new page or panel showing several different utilities. Here, you want to look specifically for export data. This option is designed to let you pull information out of ERPNext into a file format like CSV or Excel, which you can then open in spreadsheet software or upload into another system. When you see export data, click on it. This will open the export interface, where you can choose which document type you want to export. In your case, you'll be looking for the chart of accounts or the relevant accounting doc type that contains your account structure. From here, you'll typically select the document type, choose the fields you want, set any filters if needed, and then generate and download the file. If you don't see tools or export data, it could be due to your user role or permissions. In that case, you may need to contact your system administrator and ask them to grant you access to data export features. And that's it for locating the Tools section and opening the Export Data screen. Once you're in Export Data, you're ready to configure and download your chart of accounts in the format that works best for you,